Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So Lakme has launched a new range called Haya Matte range, and there are two lipsticks in this range. One is a liquid lipstick and the other is a bullet lipstick, and I got one from each category. And as per the name, both these lipsticks are matte lipsticks, and this is called Haya Matte range as it has hyaluronic acid in it. So let's see the review of both the lipsticks in this video. First, let's talk about this liquid lipstick. It comes in this golden cardboard packaging, and I got both these lipsticks from Nykaa. Purchase link for these lipsticks will be in the description box. So price for this is rupees 7.99 and the shelf life is for 2 years. The shade which I am having is called Meetup Mauve H09. Actually, it has a plastic cover also, and I am not at all impressed by the plastic cover. It comes like this in a plastic cover, and inside also you will find a plastic cover. So too much plastic wasted on one packaging. So this is the inside plastic cover which I was talking about. This range is called Haya range as it has hyaluronic acid in it. The packaging of the lipstick, it looks so high class and it's very different from the other lipsticks from Lakme. It's a plastic tube but it is color coded. So this is the color of the lipstick, and here on the bottom side it's transparent so you can see the actual shade of the lipstick. I really love the packaging here, and now let me show you the applicator also. It has slightly slanted teardrop shaped applicator with a hole inside, so it holds the product really well. Formula is very creamy and pigmented and is extremely lightweight also. It's very easy to apply. Even it's a liquid lipstick, but you will feel the formula is very creamy and it does not dry too quickly, so you get some time for the precise application and to correct your mistakes. You get an even application which is not at all patchy. When it settles down, you get a complete transfer proof and matte finish, and moreover it's available in 10 different shades. It does not feel sticky at all, but it is a liquid lipstick, so it might feel little dry after 3 to 4 hours. If you are a regular liquid lipstick user, then you will understand what I am talking about. Otherwise, it's a very comfortable, very creamy and very opaque and pigmented formula. So this is the swatch for this, and the formula is so opaque and pigmented that you get just one swipe application, a full opaque application in just one swipe. See, this is the shade and it's really very pretty shade. I really love this shade. So we have one more lipstick in this range, which is a bullet lipstick. This also comes in a same golden color packaging. It is priced at rupees 6.99 and the shelf life is for 2 years. And the shade which I am having is called PM5 Grape Goals. So the bullet, it looks something like this. They could have done something new in the packaging also. This is the same old thing which you find in most of the Lakme lipsticks. Only Haya Matte is written here. Otherwise, this packaging is very common in Lakme lipsticks. So this shade is called Grape Goals, and here this is the swatch for this. See, this is the swatch for this. This is also a really very pretty shade. So this shade is the liquid lipstick and this is the bullet lipstick. Now you can clearly see how the liquid lipstick it looks when it dries down. Both these shades are really very pretty and I love both these shades. The formula is very creamy and matte. It's a very comfortable formula and a very comfortable lipstick, perfect for everyday use or for days when you have to wear lipsticks for long hours. This is a bullet lipstick, so it is not transfer proof. It will transfer. If you eat or drink anything, it will definitely transfer, but it is very easy to reapply also. I really love the formula and the shade here, and moreover there are total 24 shades in this range, so you get a variety of shades to choose from. If you love wearing bullet lipsticks, definitely go for this. So this was the video guys. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and updates. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.